Have you ever wondered how your favorite pasta, spaghetti, is made? What goes into creating those perfect strands that pair so well with your favorite sauces? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of spaghetti, from the wheat fields to your dinner plate. Today, we're focusing on spaghetti, the long, thin pasta loved by millions around the world. We'll explore the entire process, from farming the wheat that forms its base to the factory processes that shape and package it. Along the way, we'll also touch on other popular pasta types like penne, fusilli, and ravioli. Finally, we'll look at the significant role pasta plays in the United States, from consumption to its impact on the economy. The journey of spaghetti starts in the wheat fields, where durum wheat, a hard variety known for its high protein content and firm texture, is cultivated. Durum wheat is ideal for pasta, especially spaghetti, due to its ability to produce a strong, elastic dough. Farmers plant the seeds, carefully tending to the wheat as it grows, ensuring it receives just the right amount of water and protection from pests. The timing of the harvest is crucial. The wheat must be harvested when it's fully ripe to ensure the best quality semolina flour. Once the durum wheat is ready, it's harvested using advanced machinery that collects the grain while minimizing waste. The harvested wheat is then transported to mills where it's cleaned and the outer bran is removed. The wheat is then ground into semolina, a coarse golden flour that's essential for making high-quality spaghetti. This semolina is sifted to ensure it's free of impurities, ready to be turned into the pasta we all love. At the factory, the semolina is mixed with water to create a stiff dough. This dough is then kneaded, a process that develops the gluten, giving spaghetti its firm, elastic texture. The kneading process is carefully controlled, ensuring the dough reaches the perfect consistency for extrusion, where the magic happens. Extrusion is the process that gives spaghetti its iconic long, thin shape. The dough is forced through a die, a metal plate with holes cut to the desired thickness of the pasta. As the dough is pushed through, it takes on the shape of spaghetti strands. These strands are cut to length and either laid flat or hung in loops, depending on the drying method. Drying is a critical step in the spaghetti making process. The freshly extruded spaghetti is dried slowly at carefully controlled temperatures to remove moisture without damaging the pasta. This process can take several hours, allowing the spaghetti to harden and develop the perfect texture for cooking. Proper drying not only ensures the spaghetti will hold its shape during cooking, but also extends its shelf life, making it easier to store and transport. Once dried, the spaghetti is cut to length, typically around 10-12 inches, and packaged. Modern packaging methods ensure that the spaghetti is kept fresh and protected from moisture. The packaged spaghetti is then distributed to stores around the world, ready to be purchased and enjoyed by millions. Penne, known for its cylindrical shape and angled ends, is made using a similar process to spaghetti. The dough is extruded through a die that shapes it into hollow tubes, perfect for holding onto sauces. Penne is dried and packaged in much the same way as spaghetti, but its unique shape makes it ideal for baked dishes and hearty sauces. Fusilli's spiral shape is both fun and functional, perfect for trapping sauce in its twists. After the dough is kneaded, it's shaped by twisting long rods of dough around thin rods, creating the iconic spiral. Fusilli undergoes a drying process similar to spaghetti, ensuring it maintains its shape and texture during cooking. Ravioli, unlike spaghetti, penne, and fusilli, is a filled pasta. After the dough is rolled out, it's filled with various ingredients like cheese, meat, or vegetables. The filled dough is then sealed and cut into squares or circles. Ravioli is often sold fresh, but it can also be dried or frozen for longer shelf life. The United States is one of the top consumers of pasta globally, with spaghetti being a particular favorite. On average, an American consumes nearly 20 pounds of pasta each year, with spaghetti leading the way in popularity. Pasta's versatility and ease of preparation make it a staple in households across the country. The U.S. pasta industry is a significant contributor to the economy, generating billions of dollars in revenue annually. This industry supports a wide range of jobs, from farming and milling to manufacturing and retail. American pasta production is substantial, with many factories producing both traditional and artisanal pasta varieties to meet domestic demand. While the US produces a large amount of pasta, it also imports high-quality pasta, particularly from Italy. These imports cater to a demand for authentic Italian pasta among American consumers. Conversely, the US exports pasta to neighboring countries, contributing to the global pasta trade and reinforcing the US's role in the international food market. Pasta dishes like spaghetti and meatballs, mac and cheese, and lasagna have become iconic in American cuisine. These dishes have been adapted and reinvented over the years, reflecting the diverse culinary influences in the US. Pasta nights are a beloved tradition in many American households, bringing families together over a shared love of this simple yet satisfying food. The incredible journey of spaghetti from the wheat fields to your dinner plate. Whether you're enjoying a simple plate of spaghetti with marinara sauce or a more elaborate pasta dish, each bite is a testament to the careful process that transforms raw wheat into one of the world's most beloved foods. Next time you sit down to a plate of spaghetti, take a moment to appreciate the work and skill that goes into making it. From the fields to the factory, each step is designed to bring out the best in this classic pasta. And remember, when you twirl that forkful of spaghetti, you're enjoying more than just a meal. You're savoring a piece of culinary history. Thank you for joining us on this tasty journey. If you enjoyed learning about how spaghetti and other pastas are made, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite way to enjoy spaghetti. And if you've ever made pasta from scratch, we'd love to hear your tips and experiences.